Midnight Hook, screen recording, ChatGPT interface on left, Zillow listing on right. Side by side before and after. Dull, generic listing, instantly transformed into an engaging, vivid new description by ChatGPT. Here's what we're building today. A complete AI-powered workflow that writes your home listings, auto-generates buyer Q&As, handles follow-up emails, and even helps your social posts stand out. All using ChatGPT in 2026. By the end, you'll know exactly how to use these tools to sell your property faster. Or if you're a realtor, to get more clients and save hours every 030. Why this matters. If you try to sell your home or advertise as a realtor in 2026 without AI, you're already behind. Most winning listings today are written or improved by ChatGPT or Claude, not by hand. The difference? More clicks, more viewings, and faster sales. Every top real estate agent I spoke to in this market is now layering AI into their process.
If you want to compete, this isn't optional, it's essential. But people do it wrong all the time. I'm going to show you exactly what works. 130 prerequisites. Here's what you need to follow along. A free or paid ChatGPT account. GPT 4.0 is ideal, but GPT 4 is fine too. Photos and the basic info for your property, address, bed/bath, upgrades. Optional. Access to Canva or Runway for extra visuals. 30 focused minutes. This moves fast. Screen recording, quick walkthrough, signing into ChatGPT, uploading a photo, or pasting a list. 2 o'clock, step by step, / chapter 1. Write a magnetic listing with ChatGPT. Most real estate listings sound the same. Let's change that fast. Step 1, give ChatGPT the raw facts and ask for a story-driven list. Screen recording, copy-paste this prompt into ChatGPT. Here are the facts about my property. Paste details. Write a 300-word listing using emotional language and highlight what's unique. Target young couples and remote workers. Be specific. ChatGPT generates a vivid, engaging listing with strong opening lines. Show the results. Notice how it doesn't just say 3-bedroom home for sale. It paints a picture. Wake up every morning to natural light flooding your open concept kitchen. Potential buyers can imagine themselves living there. Quick pro move. Ask for 2 versions, a formal one and a casual TikTok ready version. Use the casual one for social media posts. / visual change. 330 / chapter 2. Generate FAQ sheets instant. Buyers always ask, is the roof new? How fast is the internet? Save yourself hours by generating custom FAQ sheets for each property. Screen recording, new prompt in ChatGPT. Based on this listing, what 10 questions might buyers ask? For each, write a short, honest answer based on the info I get. Copy the best Q&A straight into your listing packet or real estate website. If you're using a platform like Zillow or Realtor.com, you can attach these as downloadable PDFs. Quick advantage. This makes you look way more professional, even if you're selling your own home. / visual change. 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock / chapter 3. Automate buyer communication with AI. You know those email follow-up messages you wish you had time to personalize? Let ChatGPT do 90% of the heavy lift. Screen recording, prompt into ChatGPT. Write a friendly follow-up email to a potential buyer who toured my home yesterday. Address them by name, mention the big backyard, ask if they have any more questions. You can create a handful of email templates. Thank you for visiting, reminder about open house, how can I help? Then customize each one in seconds. If you use Gmail or Outlook, ChatGPT's plugins let you send these emails right from your browser. Just check privacy settings before sending sensitive info. / visual change. 630 / chapter 4. AI for social media, photos, and video. Social posts matter. AI can supercharge this too. Here's how. Ask ChatGPT to draft catchy Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok captions. Highlight the green kitchen or the walkable neighbor. Use Canva's AI tools, Magic Design, to instantly turn raw home photos into polished posts. 4 video tours. Feed key points into Runway or Pika AI and have it generate property highlight reels in minutes. Screen recording. Canva AI Magic Design interface. Uploading home photo. Seeing TikTok graphic auto create. Screen recording. Runway AI generating a teaser video from 5 short iPhone clips. Use this as a content engine. New listing. New posts in under 10 minutes. / visual change. 8 o'clock. Osamhogin tips. A. Fine-tune your prompt. Be hyper-specific. Mention your target audience, the emotional mood you want, and any features you don't want highlighted. B. Train a GPT just for your local area. With ChatGPT's custom GPTs as of February 2026, you can upload local data, comps, school ratings, nearby co-working spaces, and your personal style. This way, every listing fits your brand and region. C. Use voice. Don't want to type? The GPT 4.0 mobile app lets you describe your listing out loud. Sometimes this gets more natural, relatable language. Screen recording. ChatGPT's custom GPTs. Demo. Click create a GPT. Upload local neighborhood stats. Extra. For private sellers,
There's a new trend. Posting ChatGPT generated Ask the Owner chatbot links right in your list. Buyers get answers 24/7. Zero extra work for / /visual change, 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock, results and next steps. Let's look at a real example. Show completed listing, Q&A sheet, automated email, and social post draft side by side. You went from a generic home description to a multi-channel, AI-powered marketing step in under 30 minutes. No fake hacks, no hype, just tools that actually save you time in 2026. Screen recording, demo swapping between listing, FAQ, email, and Canva post, all assets in one real estate toolbox folder. If this saved you even one headache, hit subscribe. Next, I'll break down AI video tours that actually convert in 2026 and answer your top ChatGPT prompt questions. Leave a comment if you want a full prompt list. The best ones are free, the wild ones are members only. See you in the next deep dive.